Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Jess. If you're new, hi and welcome back to everybody else. A long time no see. I've missed you. But yeah, I'm back. Some of you guys know, if you follow my community tab thing up here somewhere, I try and do updates where I can. I've had health issues, had to get my teeth fixed again. They're fixed for now. But today I wanted to film a little get ready with me type thing. If you can see, I'm not technically in my usual spot. So it's been kind of annoying having to work out a different place to film. I also haven't got my normal lighting set up at the moment, so yeah. Also, if I'm a bit red, it's just because I've just showered because I'm filming another video. That's a hair thing, so ignore that I'm looking like a drowned rat and I'm a little bit red from doing skincare. But I wanted to do a get ready with me because I haven't done one of them in a long ass time, and I miss doing them. And I know you guys like them, and it's all going to be drugstore affordable products and what I've been enjoying with my makeup routine at the moment. So let's do this, shall we? Alright, so first up, also I want to say I'm just doing my base. I'm not doing eyeshadow at the moment. I've got other products for another video. I do want to be doing an eyeshadow thing for, oh pardon me, burpee. But this, I want to get my eyebrows on. I'm really lazy when it comes to eyebrows. I really like a good brown mascara, and I'm enjoying this one by Max Factor. I don't even know how I got it because I don't buy a lot of Max Factor products. I think I might have got it with the gift with purchase thing. So yeah, it's the Brow Revival by Max Factor. It's a little bit dark for me, but once the makeup's on, it's fine. Not a bad little brown mascara, and it has a tip like that, which I quite like. You just gotta be careful about putting it on so that you don't let it dry too soon without blending it, otherwise it looks a little bit crunchy. Not crunchy bacon, not crunchy eyebrows. I'll clean it up with some foundation. But yeah, it's not a bad little brow product. I've got it in my like shop my stash kind of pile, or like panning using it up pile. They're gonna look quite bold at the moment, but it evens out once I get me makeup on. I don't mind that. Stop that. Get ready with me. It's all drugstore. I think I only use 7 products only, and 2 brushes. Who am I? I don't know. Alright, so I bought this a while ago. I've used it a few times, as you can tell. The Flower Beauty Serum Foundation. I've worked out I can only use it if I don't do my skincare beforehand, which is really weird because I have dry skin and usually I don't have to set my foundation at all. But this one's too slippy on me. It moves around, but as long as I don't do my skincare like serum stuff beforehand, it's actually really nice. It does take a little bit to build up because it's quite light coverage, but I love how natural it looks on the skin. And the brush I'm using is actually the Flower Beauty foundation brush, one of my all-time favorite foundation brushes. I love it. I bought multiples of these. It takes me like a couple of layers to get the coverage I want. Well, I can't talk today. You can tell that I haven't filmed for a wee while. I just love how beautiful and natural this one looks on the skin. Just if you've got dry skin, don't do serums and stuff before wearing it, because it won't stay on the face. So I don't know how to go for oily girls or people. So it's quite natural, it's nice. I don't mind it. And it does build up. Just takes a little bit to get to the coverage I want. But if you like a sheer coverage, I think you'd probably like this foundation. It looks really pretty and natural, doesn't it? I do really like this too as an under eye concealer because of how fluid it is. It doesn't settle into any of my fine lines, which I really like. See how nice and light and quite a lot brighter my under eye looks? I like it. Got a lot of makeup faces. This product I have been absolutely loving lately. It's the designer brand by DB Quick Fix Stick Cream Contour. These are fabulous. If you like a cream product, I've reviewed a couple of their blushes, the cream blushes, which I'll put a video in the description box down below if you want to check that out. But these are so nice, and these blend beautifully, and they're super pigmented, creamy, and they work so well. I have a mini of the Milk contour stick, and I reckon they're a dupe for it, which is cool because Milk's hard to access here in Australia. Milk makeup, I mean. Just kind of dab where I want to be a little bit more bronzed. See how effortlessly they just blend? They're so nice. I'm hoping that this lighting will be okay for this video. I'm going to try and get my lighting set up for other videos. It's just, I just couldn't be bothered as fart-assing around with doing it. I just wanted to sit down and film. So yeah, excuse not proper lighting at the moment. But you can see the difference. That side's bronzy. Non-bronzy. It's really pretty. I love this product so much, and you can build it up really well as well. Great English me. Well, that was a little bit much. It's fine. So have you guys been? What's been happening? I love the tone of it too. It's perfect, I think. Gotta get under that chin. Build it up a little bit more. It just melts into the skin. It's a beautiful cream contour. I love this one. And then if you need to clean it up a little bit, I just kind of grab a little bit of extra foundation Dub, dub, dub. And it just gives a really nice natural look to the face, I think. So the next product I'll be using is one by a brand called Natio, I think. Natio, I've heard people pronounce it. I think it's Natio. It's a cream blush. At the moment, I'm really enjoying cream products, and this one is in the shade Dusk. One up on my hands first. It's just a really pretty natural looking blush. Actually, I haven't used it for a little while, so I'm remembering how to use it again. It just gives a really nice pretty pop of colour to the cheek. But I think I might actually also use some powder blush just because I don't think it's deep enough. I think in everyday stuff it's fine, but for on camera I don't think it's deep enough. But it's what I do normally wear, like in my everyday kind of stuff if I'm not filming. I mean, the colours there, it's just not coming up so much on camera, I feel. So I'm going to use the palette by Ulta3. It's the Chica Bit Baked Blush palette. I don't know if it's on their website anymore, but if you ever see it in chemists, it's a really pretty palette that I've been loving like a lot lately. So this is brush number 2. It's just one from eBay that I like. Okay. That colour. I like quite a heavy, I've got hair, a heavy blush moment at the moment. See how pretty that is? I love that colour. And then for the highlighter, I just go in with that one. Isn't that pretty? Alright, so for lashes, I have the Maybelline, what do we call it, the Colossal Curl Bounce mascara. I actually don't mind this mascara, it's not too bad. Yeah, I actually don't mind it. Not one of the best mascaras, but you can see the one on the right, no mascara. The left one will be in the after. Actually, don't mind this one. I like the brush on it. It's easy to use and it's not too messy, I feel like. Yeah, not bad. So yeah, for lips, I have the Ulta3. It's one of their magic green changing ones. It changes to the colour of your lips or like tone or whatever. Like that. I'm gonna wait for my hair to dry, then it'll be the end of the video. I'm gonna do a close-up of the makeup, see how natural that looks. Really pretty. I like it a lot. So I'm not looking quite so much like a drowned rat anymore. I have a video coming up on my Instagram for the hair products that I used. These. Let me know if you actually want a review or not here on YouTube, and I can do that for you. Yeah, I'm going to be hopefully getting back into filming a bit more often, at least once a week, now that I'm back in the mode of filming again. And I hope you all stay well and look after each other, and I'll talk to you guys soon.